So for today's deep dive, we're looking at a really specific piece of hardware that solves a huge problem in live production.
It really does.
It's this conflict,
Right.
right? You want the incredible image quality you get from, say, a Micro Four Thirds camera with a great manual lens, but you also want the efficiency of a robotic, operator-free setup.
Exactly. And that's our mission today, really. To unpack the Datavideo MFT-2 Kit. It's a zoom control kit that, when you pair it with the Tilta Nucleus-M motor, basically transforms these amazing manual cameras into full-on robotic systems.
Okay, let's break that down, the transformation itself. We're talking about taking a camera like a Lumix BGH1, which is compact but powerful, and making it behave like a professional PTZ camera.
Right. A pan-tilt zoom camera.
But the MFT2 Cambry isn't the whole thing, is it? It's more like the missing link.
That's a perfect way to put it. It's the muscle. So you start by mounting your camera, your BGH1 or whatever M43 camera you have, onto a Datavideo PTR10 MR2. That's the head that handles the pan and tilt.
Okay, got it. The head does the moving.
The head does the moving. Then, this kit lets you bolt on the Tilta Nucleus-M motor. And that motor's job is very specific.
The zoom.
The zoom. And this is the key. Because manual zoom lenses were never built to be controlled by a robot.
So why that specific mode? I mean, can't a standard PTZ system just motorize the lens?
That's the thing. It's about precision. The mechanics on a good manual lens, what we call the lens throw, it's incredibly fine. It needs smooth, repeatable torque. The internal gears on a typical PTZ can be a bit jerky.
Not smooth enough for a slow cinematic zoom.
Not at all. The external Tilta motor gives you that powerful, precise force you need to mimic what a skilled human camera operator would do.
Okay, so the physical side is solved. That's pretty clever. But
Yeah.
what about the control? Once you have it all hooked up, what can you actually do from the control room? It's not just pan, tilt, and zoom anymore, is it?
Oh, not even close. It's completely comprehensive. You get your pan, tilt, and zoom, of course. But you also get remote control over focus, IS, and gain.
Which is huge. So you're adjusting aperture with the iris control, sensitivity with the gain.
Right, you're controlling the actual image quality, the exposure, everything you'd need to do to match cameras and a live broadcast, you can now do remotely.
That's the professional layer. So how do all these separate parts, the camera, the Tilta motor, the data video head, how do they all talk to each other so seamlessly?
Standardization. That's the bridge. The whole system communicates using the LAN-C protocol.
Which is a broadcast standard, right?
Right, it's the standard for this kind of camera control. So everything links back to that PTR10 Mark II head, and it all communicates over, well, just a simple CT5 or HT6 cable.
A regular network cable.
A regular network cable with those standard RJ45 connectors. You're using everyday IT infrastructure to run a high-end robotic camera system.
That makes integration so much easier. And, the real payoff for all this automation has to be in the presets, the repeatability.
Absolutely. With the RMC 180 MRK2 controller, you can save and instantly recall specific pan, tilt, and zoom positions. Your wide shot is always the exact same wide shot, every time.
Guaranteed shots. And you can scale this up, I see.
You can. With an add-on called the ZEK2, that same RMC 180 controller can manage up to 4 of these camera rigs at once.
So one person could run a whole multi-camera studio.
That's the idea. Automate an entire small studio, but with that beautiful M43 lens quality, all from one console.
Incredible. So to sum it all up, this MFT2 kit is basically a pathway. It lets you get operator-free production while still using the specific high-quality cameras and lenses you want. And the kit itself is priced around $825, which is, well, it's a fraction of what a traditional broadcast robotic system would cost.
It is. And what's really fascinating here, the bigger picture, is this blend of modular hardware, taking a specialized motor from one company and a standard protocol and making them work together to democratize a really high-cost workflow. It just makes you think, what other areas of production that are still totally manual could benefit from this kind of thinking? That's got to be where the industry is heading.